Hey, kia ora tātou. Just thought I'd pop in and give you a kōrero about this vision, this theme of Unahi. Uh, Kia ora, ko Koro Nicholas tōku ingoa, no Pirirākau, me Ngāti Ranginui. And just going off the coattails of our awesome wānanga earlier on about called Uenukurangi, where a dominant theme was for all our people to come together as one and to bring all our entities together as one. That's where this name Unahi comes from. When we think of our haka, the Ranginui haka, um, part of it goes Uhia maira, Uhia maira ki te rau o te aroha. Ki te unahi o te ika o Ranginui e tūake nei. And so taking the theme from that particular part of our haka, we have the kupu unahi. Unahi uh, comes from that phrase in our haka. And it talks about being a scale on the great fish of Ranginui. So if we think of all of our people as being these scales that are all working together, they're all one body, embodied in the great fish that is Ranginui, um, then we can kind of see where the wairua behind the kupu unahi comes from. So the vision is to um, encourage our people to work together and encourage our entities to work together as well. So if we've got a if we can pick up this kupu unahi and roll along with it together, um, it shows that, or it helps us to come together. It helps us to stay in the mindset that we are awesome individuals that belong to awesome marae and hapu, and all these hapu are together as one, as ranginui. So that's the big kaupapa behind this kupu, this ingoa unahi, and the theme of unahi. So it was suggested that tonight earlier on in the hui that we can maybe name one of our first entities together as hapu of Ngāti Ranginui, um, Unahi. And Unahi is our Te Papa joint venture where all the hapu are going in together. And so um, it's it'd be great or to just put that whakaaro out there, put the wairua of kotahitanga out there that we are all hapu, we are all people, we are all marae, we are all entities of the great fish of Ranginui. And um, an initial vision for it is that it could one day become a powerful brand of all our awesome entities that are only just starting now, some of them, but that in 5, 10, 15, 20, 50 years, um, the name Unahi is synonymous with uh, the iwi of Ngāti Ranginui and showing strong purpose. So it becomes a brand for all of Ngāti Ranginui entities to become proud of. And so whenever any other any other iwi, any other businesses, any other government organizations are working with Ranginui entities, they carry unahi, um, that unahi branding with them, and it kind of reminds us that as well as um, being a part of this great fish of Ranginui, every scale in the fish actually helps to drive that fish forward, helps to drive our ika, the ika o Ranginui, forward. Um, and when we all come together, we actually become good food for our people. Uh, and it strengthens our ties to our moana. There's lots more things that we can think about, but that's just an initial whakaaro to put forward to, well, primarily to our iwi PSG, our hapu PSGEs tonight, and then to start to populate, promulgate this kupu, this vision coming straight out of Uenukurangi to all our iwi. Kia ora.